All right, viewers, allow me to quickly cut across to the news break that is just coming in. The Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi has met Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi in New Delhi on Tuesday as both nations attempt to move past the strain in ties that followed violent clashes along the border in 2020. The visit is being seen as a part of efforts to put the relationship back on track. On Monday, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar had set the tone for the engagement, noting that having seen a difficult period in our relationship, our two nations now seek to move ahead. Viewers, do read all of this in context with what we are witnessing in terms of the tariffs imposed on India, where United States of America is concerned. Also, an attempt to move past in what had openly at one time been stated that Operation Sindoor was not just a operation that India was fighting against Pakistan, but a proxy operation fought by China as well. So, with that backdrop, with that narrative, these visuals, these optics coming into play, but isn't diplomacy all about this? I am connecting right now with my colleague Geeta Mohan, our External Affairs Editor, who's going to add more. Geeta, over to you.
Preeti, a very important visit by Wang Yi, one of the senior most officials in the government of China, and he has met with Dr. Jaishankar. He met with his counterpart, special representatives on boundary question, and now he's calling on Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So significant, but also what is important to note over here is that every time there are SR level talks and a separate rounds that are held, one is waiting to look at what is the forward movement on the boundary question. It's a large ambit, but a specific one on disengagement and de-escalation at the LAC in the Ladakh sector, we've not seen a forward movement. It's the repeat of the same statements that have been made in the past, various rounds of talks, diplomatic as also military level talks between India and China. So no forward movement on whether if we'll be seeing de-escalation soon, but this is a preparatory visit also ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit for the SCO summit in Tianjin. So one will again have to wait and see how that really pans out, giving it a personal touch and calling on the Prime Minister, inviting him to Tianjin for the Shanghai Cooperation Organization at a time when tariffs are hitting hard to both the countries when it comes to America, whether it's China or for that matter India.
Geeta, all of this also needs to be viewed in context of what we witnessed in very recent memory, Operation Sindoor, where we had openly stated that this wasn't an operation that India was fighting against Pakistan, but also a proxy war where China was concerned, number one. Number two, read this also in context of the tariff war going on between India and the United States of America.
Well, absolutely, but also in context of where he's headed next, Preeti. The entire Operation Sindoor, where China stood behind Pakistan, is his next stop. He is going to go to Pakistan. Unlike many countries, many leaders who have, and a very painstaking effort made by India over the years to dehyphenate India and Pakistan, we've seen China, and we're looking at a very senior official from China hyphenating India-Pakistan in a way with the two visits that are taking place one after the other in this very same trip. So after coming to India, he is now going to go to Pakistan. Again, raises many questions as to whether if there's going to be any forward movement, can there really be a thaw in relations between India and China? The necessity is that India and China engage. The necessity is India and China need to look at trade, given the kind of atmosphere that has been created because of the United States of America, but that's necessity. Does it come from a place where there can be an ironclad friendship between India and China? Absolutely not, because that friendship and that space, that place has already been taken by Pakistan, which is where Wang Yi would be headed next.
All right, so is there a reset where India and China relationship is concerned? Well, one would need to really wait and watch because, you know, many things have happened in the recent past, and what you see right now, of course, is a diplomatic need, but need to be read in a larger context. Appreciate you joining us, Geeta. Thank you there.